What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. So guys, we've been going through it with the Cabrio, right? For the last 3 months, the Cabrio has been with 2 different mechanics getting worked on, and neither one of these guys seem like they know what they're doing. So I pretty much went and grabbed my car, and here she is right here. Went and grabbed the U-Haul truck and went and picked my car up, man. I'm just tired of people, acting like they know what they're doing, supposedly knowing what they're doing, but nobody knows what they're doing and this and that and everything. So pretty much, long story short, I got my car. Here she is right here, and they've just been pulling it back, and look at this crap right here. Whole freaking tire just bust. Drove it all the way from Tampa to Newport Richie, about an hour and some change, just like this. Tire busted, shredded, man. All the rest of them are good except for this one right here. It's crazy the stuff that I've been through with this car. And the mechanics that say they know what they're doing, I didn't even want to work on it. I just decided to take it to a mechanic because I felt like a mechanic would do a better job than what I would do. And come to find out, the mechanics are just as bad as I am. So I could have just took those same 3 months and tried to figure all this stuff out by myself. But hey, let me get this car home and then we can go over more from there. All right, so finally got the car back home, and whew, that was a lot. I don't want to sit here and just pretty much like rant or anything like that or talk about this and that, but this car has been through so much. It's ridiculous. It's been through so much. So this is cut, and I believe it goes over to the alternator. So I gotta figure out how this goes into the harness. Alternator. This is a piece of the old harness. This is the twist plug into the old harness right here, and there's a majority of that over there. What sucks about this is I actually got the fuel pump to work on this car. I don't know if you guys remember that video, but the 2.0 was already out of here. As soon as we took it out of here, I actually ended up getting the fuel pump to turn on and work, which sucks. And then the motor is not even really in. I can move all of this still needs to be, it's only in by like 2 mounts. That one in the back, and then the one in the front right here, and then the transmission mount is not even in, so I don't know. It look like it might just need a bolt, if anything. So if you guys been following the channel, for a minute, on the last build with the Jetta, you guys know I like to kind of write stuff down to see where I'm at and what all I need to do to get this up and running. So pretty much, I know for a fact that I need something to do with the harness. So we got the harness on there, right? I know that I need a down pipe. So down pipe, DP, down pipe. I know that the transmission something's wrong with this transmission right here. So I gotta figure out how to connect the transmission back. So something with the transmission. So something with the trans. We'll have an ECU. We'll have majority of the harness. For some, I need to figure out how to either connect this harness to that harness or buy a new harness. So harness, transmission, downpipe. I need a front radiator. I need a radiator. I need a rad. Radiator. And if you guys know anything else that we should go ahead and add to the list, please feel free to comment it down below, and I will add it to the wall of things that we need to do to get this running. Yeah, I need a VR6 throttle cable. So VR6 throttle cable. VR6 throttle cable. I believe this is that weight that I need for the transmission. I believe this goes down here somewhere like that, if I'm not mistaken. I remember seeing this on the transmission, so I know this goes on the transmission. Just got to figure out how and where it goes on the transmission. So I'll leave that right there. That's for the transmission. So got some more parts. The intercooler is right here, which is a piece of crap. Look like this shit came off of somebody else's car and got beat the hell. I swear I don't know what this guy was thinking, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy myself the Mishimoto intercooler. I love Mishimoto parts. I already have Mishimoto fans, so I think I'm gonna just go ahead and buy that Mishimoto intercooler and call that one a wrap. Throw this shit in the trash. That is, yeah, that's not cool. Found the water pipe that goes pretty much right there, which is that part right there. Also got the map sensor, crank sensor, knock sensor, crank sensor. This is the bolt that goes in the back for the oil. I need this bolt right here. And a whole bunch of more. I think that's an air sensor right here. An air sensor or something like that. And a bunch of more nuts and bolts and crap in there. So, yeah. I think this is all we got, and this is what we have to work with. I hate to spend more money on this, but look like I'm gonna have to. So there we have it. The Cabrio is back and looking worse than ever. Pretty sure I don't know where to start at from here, but probably in the next video we're gonna dive right into it and try and next video we'll probably dive right into it and start trying to figure things out with this Cabrio. I hate to sell it. I hate to really sell it and get rid of it. So I don't know. I looked at SP Tuning. SP Tuning has a harness. It craps like $800. That's incredible. I think Eurowise is another company that had one. I want to say it was like $600 and some dollars. So yeah, I don't know yet. I'm gonna try to look on some forums and see how hard it is to cut that harness up and do it that way. I feel like I'm in the same predicament I was with the last Mark III. If you guys remember the last black Mark III. Yeah, so guys, feel free to comment down below. Feel free to comment down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember guys, have an awesome day.